Good evening, friends. This is Rotarian Hemendra Porwal on behalf of District 3170, the District Polio Plus Chair, to talk about Rotary and polio. It's like a mother and a child. Rotary has been associated with the WHO, UNICEF, and many other organizations for many years now to eradicate polio. The day WHO thought of eradicating polio, the first to come in their mind was Rotary. And Rotarians have contributed their man hours, money, and their work to get this work done all over the world. It is the work of Rotarians that has helped WHO and all the state governments all over the world to eradicate polio. And we are on the final stage. Rotary was there when it was started to eradicate polio, and Rotary will be till the end to eradicate polio. And 317 Rotarians of 3170 will not be back in this world.
Friends, as long as there is sunshine, there is hope. As long as the grass is green, there is prosperity. And as long as there is Rotary and Rotary, there will be health and happiness. 24th October was World Polio Day, and on this day we commit ourselves for the polio eradication efforts. In 1985, Rotary dreamt of making this world polio-free world, and since then we all Rotarians, along with other government and non-governmental organizations like WHO, UNICEF, Center for Disease Control, Atlanta, USA, and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation have worked tirelessly with determination and commitment to make this dream a reality. Friends, faith, hope, and charity have been the hallmarks of the success of these efforts. Faith in the commitment of Rotarians, in their capability and their resources, hope for happy children in the world, and charity by their generous contribution to the cause of polio eradication. Rotarians have contributed more than 180 crores till now, and it has been possible with the support of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which has come forward to match $1 contributed by Rotarians by $1 from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And we cannot let down our efforts because there are still pockets of polio cases in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Because friends, remember, polio somewhere is a threat everywhere. We have to continue with our efforts of immunizing children against polio by observing Polio Ravivar or Polio Sunday in January and February each year, and see to it that every child in our neighborhood, in our vicinity, in our community receives polio drops. I have to compliment Rotaractors for taking this initiative of creating awareness about the need for immunization for polio. Since still, in spite of India being polio free from 2011.
24th October, every year we Rotarians celebrate World Polio Day with the objective of eradicating polio on this earth. Rotarians all over the world came together and with the single mission to eradicate polio in the year 1988, along with various organizations and WHO. Since then, Rotarians have worked hard to eradicate polio from the face of the earth. Today we are proudly saying that we have achieved our goal. We are 99.99% successful in eradicating polio from the earth. Only two countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan, have the help of your contribution. Rotarians with their hard earned money as well as time and energy working towards this mission. We also request all of you to contribute to this noble cause and eradicate polio from the face of the earth.
Hello friends, 24th October is End Polio Now. It's an international day. All over the world, 24th October is celebrated. End Polio Now is an international project. Global Polio Eradication Initiative. This initiative is led by 5 partners: World Health Organization (WHO), Rotary International, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF), and lastly Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So all these organizations, they spend lots and lots of money for the prevention of polio. This alliance goal is to eradicate polio from the face of the earth. As part of this initiative, India on 24th October every year organizes different activities like taking out polio awareness rallies, providing vaccination facility almost all the residential areas of the country and areas of the world, create awareness by posting in social media, donate to the cause of polio eradication, and so on. So every Rotarian, every Rotary Club, every district, every zone is trying and working hard to eradicate this polio from the face of the earth. We have been working to eradicate polio for more than 35 years. Because of our initiative, I am glad to say that India has 100% polio free, and we have reduced polio from the earth to the extent of 99.9%. So it's because of our effort that we are able to reduce the number of cases all over the world, and we are happy that India has 100% polio free country.
I am Rotarian Dr. Rahul Sathe, past president of Rotary Club of Venugram. I am here today to share with you the small story of pulse polio. It all began 41 years back on 29 September 1979 when the then RI President, Rotarian James Palmer, administered the first drops of polio to a child in Philippines. And in 1985, Rotary took it up as a challenge to eradicate polio from the face of the earth. In the past 35 years, Rotarians across the world have been trying, giving their best in terms of time, energy and money to eradicate polio. Yet there still remain a few pockets in countries of Afghanistan and Pakistan. But I am sure that Rotary will succeed because Rotary hai to mumkin hai.
Hello friends, I am proud Rotarian Dr. Mayuri Thakurji. I am happy to share that Rotary Club